Hello everyone, we are going to show you uh, how we make our chicken kurma. Here we have some pieces of pre-cooked chicken, some coconut powder here, almond powder, single cream and sugar. Now we're going to go over the fan and Chef Imran is going to cook a chicken korma. Right, here we go, 2 tablespoons of sugar, two tablespoons of coconut powder, 2 tablespoons of almond powder, and the pre-cooked chicken pieces goes in. And now is putting in the gravy in, the onion gravy. Gonna lightly stir it so now Chef Imran is going to tip the single cream in. Alright, it's putting the single cream in. Six tablespoons of single cream goes in there. Right, nice. Here we are. Wonderful, look at the texture of the creamy flavor of our chicken kurma. Once again, thank you so much for watching the video. Please log into our website www.indianrestaurantcooking.com. Once again, thank you for watching the video.